Okay, question 2. So we're going to begin by finding the roots. So we're going to set y equal to 0. So I'm going to go y equals 0, which means this whole equation, x squared minus 2x minus 8, has to equal 0. Okay, we're going to factor. We're going to set up our two brackets, make them equal to 0. And we have to put the x and the x. They're all going to be the first method, okay, sum and product. We're going to find two numbers that multiply to give you negative 8 and add to give you negative 2. So we'll go plus 2 and minus 4. 2 times negative 4. Okay, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. Now, each bracket equals to 0. X plus 2 equals 0. So x equals negative 2. X minus 4 equals 0. X equals to 4. Now we have our two x-intercepts. Okay, 1, 2. And we have our y-intercept, which is negative 8. So let's graph those points, negative 2 and negative 4. So we'll go here. We'll use the mouse so you can see me here. So here, negative 2 right here. Okay, wait, let's make sure I have it right. And 4. So negative 2 and 4. You can graph those two. Okay, we'll go back to these numbers. So negative 8 is my y-intercept. So I can put that dot right here. I know that's my y-intercept. It's the c value. Okay, axis of symmetry. So, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it should be right down the middle. Right over here. Right down here. Oops, it's a little harder to draw with this. Okay, you guys can probably draw better with a ruler than me with this. It's right down here. Now we've got to figure out where our vertex is. Okay, so our axis of symmetry is x equal to 1. X equals 1. Okay, let's do it mathematically. It's the average of these two. So let's take a look here. It's so it's going to call it P. Okay, so it's negative 2 plus 4 over 2. Well, negative 2 plus 4 is 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we know the axis of symmetry is 1, or x equals 1, or I call it P here, so that's equal to 1. We've got it. Terrible line there, but I've drawn it. Okay, now we've got that. Now let's go down over here. Okay, and let's find our other component of our vertex. We're going to go y equals, and I need to know the initial equation. So I'm just going to scroll quickly up here. X squared minus 2x minus 8. X squared minus 2x minus 8. I'm going to plug in 1 in here. Wherever I see an x, I plug in the 1. Okay, and then you can use your calculator, but here I'll do it quickly. Okay, 1 minus 2 is negative 1, minus 8 is negative 9. Okay, so my PQ, my vertex, my P comma Q, okay, so my X component was 1, my Y component's negative 9. I go to my graph. I go 1, so I'll use my mouse here, 1 here, so 1 this way, and all the way down to 9, and I put a dot there right here. And let's go back to the black, so it's clearer instead of the red. Right here. Okay, now A. Okay, we got to figure out to graph this, we need A. A is 1. How do I know? Yeah, there's nothing in front of the x squared, so A is 1. Okay, so we'll use 1, 3, 5 to graph. Okay, we go over 1, up 1, over 1, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, when we even had the y-intercept. Over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Over 1, up 1. Over 1, 1, 2, 3 up. Over 1, 5 up. Well, there it is. Okay, let's go and graph this, or sketch my parabola here. And bring it back up. Add my arrows. I'll label it, even though I don't have to in this case, so because there's only one, y equals x squared minus 2x minus 8. So y equals x squared minus 2x minus 8. Usually you only label if there's more than one of these on here, but I'll label it anyway to stay consistent. Okay, let's go to my graphing software. Okay, so let's type in a new one here. Look, I can just erase these. It's minus 2x. And let's see what else was there. Let's go back here. minus 8. Let's see how close I was. So minus 2x minus 8. There is negative 2 and 4. Okay, we're at 1, negative 9 here. They're 1, negative 9. Okay, there's my graph. Okay, again, now the next video I'll do the next one. So we'll skip over here, and we're going to do this one with the negative half x. We'll learn how to do that.